In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front motor mount on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go around and remove all of the screws for the left splash shield. You don't have to fully remove the splash shield. We're just going to be aiming for this area right here. However, if you'd like the space, you can remove it. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 nuts for the motor mount. Second nut is located inside of this subframe. Using a piece of wood and a jack, we're going to jack the engine up. We're going to do this right in between the exhaust and the transmission oil pan on the transmission to engine seam. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt out of the top of the motor mount. Remove the bolt. With the bolt removed, jack the engine up farther. Remove the motor mount. When you're removing the motor mount, you're going to want to pull it straight towards the fan assembly, and then you're going to cock it over to the left and kind of wiggle it out. When installing the new mount, take note of the arrow on top of the boot. The arrow is going to be facing the front of the car. Drop the mount into place. I put the front stud in first, got the right stud, and then swiveled it back and got the last stud in. Go slightly down on your jack. Install the bolt. Once the bolt is installed by hand, I'm going to go down on the jack again. Snug the top bolt down. Torque the bolt to 64 foot-pounds. Drop the engine all the way down. And remove the jack. Go around and get all the nuts started for the motor mount. With all of the nuts started, go around and snug them down. Torque the motor mount nuts to 38 foot-pounds. Install the splash shield. Make sure that it's tucking up into the front bumper. We'll get our front bolt started. Fit our bracket up and install the bolts. And go around and snug all the bolts down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.